This is how to crochet a puff stitch in slow motion, and it's part 2 to my other video. But when I yarn over, I'm going to hold the loop in place with my right index finger, and then when I pull up a loop, I'm going to pull it up to the height of a double crochet. Then when I yarn over again, I'm going to hold on to that loop again so that the loop I had just pulled up doesn't lose any slack. Then my left middle finger and thumb are going to pinch the stitch that I'm inserting my hook in, and that way the loops will stay taut, and when I yarn over and pull through the loops, it makes it a little bit easier to get a swoop motion. I still have to wiggle sometimes, but that's normal. If you've been practicing the stitch and you're still struggling, at this point, it could be your hook. I always preach to beginners that you should not spend a lot of money on hooks at the beginning because you don't know what your needs are yet. You don't know what kind of stitches you like, you don't know how you like to hold your hook, you don't know what kind of adjustments you've made in attaining your muscle memory. So in this case, if you are wanting to do the puff stitch because you want to make beautiful flowers or a jasmine stitch or something like that, and you're struggling pulling through all the loops, look for a smooth hook with a tapered head. Stay away from inline hooks. Like Susan Bates. It's a wonderful brand, but the yarn does get stuck. And beware of wooden hooks because sometimes they're not filed down correctly, so make sure you get them from a reputable seller.